Ang kulit talaga ng batang to, parang hindi nauubusan ng energy. Oh no, bakit ang tamlay mo, Prince? Anyari sa'yo?
Doc, can you check po what happened to my dog? Ever since po kasi nung nilabas ko po siya, parang nanghina po siya. Tapos napansin ko po dumami po yung ticks niya.
Ma'am, may I know po if he's taking some anti-tick and flea or may history ba na nagkaroon siya ng blood para?
Regarding naman po sa anti-tick or flea niya is wala po siyang tinitake right now. And sa blood para naman po, wala po siyang any history about it.
If that's the case, we need to check his blood sample to see if he's positive for blood parasite.
Okay po, Doc.
Ma'am, we got the lab result and sadly, Prince is positive for blood parasite.
Blood parasite? Ano po yun? Delikado po ba yun para sa mga aso?
Yes po, ma'am. Blood parasite are microscopic organisms that attack the red blood cells of our dogs. Nakakuha ito karaniwan sa kagat ng infected na ticks, lalo na kapag madalas silang nasa labas, sa damuhan, o may makakasalumong ibang hayop na meron ding tick and flea. Merong tatlong types ng blood parasite. First is yung Babesia, causes fever, weakness, and anemia. Second is yung Ehrlichia, affects the bone marrow, causing bleeding and low platelets. And last, yung Anaplasma may cause joint pain, fever, and loss of appetite.
Sabi po pala, ang dami palang different kinds ng blood parasite. Delikado pala ito. Kaya pala biglang nanghina po tong aso kong si Prince.
Yes po, mabuti at nadala nyo agad siya. But don't worry, manageable naman ito if we act early.
Ano nga po ba maiiwasan ng blood parasite?
Magandang katanungan, ma'am. To prevent blood parasite, here are some important tips you can follow. Number 1, use tick and flea prevention regularly. For example, use chewable meds, shampoo, or even powder. Number 2, check your dog daily, lalo na after maglaro sa damuhan o park. Number 3, keep your dog's environment clean. Madalas dapat maglinis ng kulungan at paligid. Number 4, regular vet check-ups para mag-agapan agad ang posibleng sakit. Number 5, bath your dog regularly para madaling makita kung may ticks o fleas.
Thank you po, Doc. Ang dami ko pong natutunan. Hindi ko akalaing ganito pala kadelikado ang blood parasites.
Yes, ma'am. When we know what to do, it's easier for us to protect our pets from serious diseases. Remember, a healthy pet is a happy pet. Yay!